So in today's prompt, we're going to talk about SOPs. So in this prompt we have today, it's a little longer of a prompt because we're going to give it a little bit more information to help us maybe get a more clear and concise output. So our prompt today is create an SOP, which for those who don't know, standard operating procedure for onboarding new clients for our HVAC company. And then we gave it kind of our software stack that we're using inside of this company. And then a little bit of the workflow, like how, who answers the phone. It's our CSRs who answer the phone. And we want to make sure that our salespeople are aware when our CSRs have booked new clients for our business. And then we also kind of tell it what format we want it to be in. A lot of times these AIs will ask you, even though we tell it what we want, sometimes it'll still give us the text and then prompt us for what we want the output to be afterwards. So let's see what we get here. So it's analyzing the data here. And we ask for a PDF, so we'll see if we just get plain text or the actual PDF output. And you'll see I had some misspellings here in my prompt. So just be aware that the AIs can always, adjust your, they'll still complete the prompt even if your spelling is incorrect. And you see here, I asked for a PDF and I still got a Word document. So that happens sometimes, but I'll bring this up here just so you can see it. So here's our Word document with all the things that we requested, step-by-step onboarding process. They're going to talk to the CSR and then they're going to create this the deal or whatever in HubSpot, which is what we said we were using. And then the CSR is going to schedule the service in the Service Titan software, which we said the company was using. And then either trigger a package, welcome package. So they're kind of asking you here, do you have an automation built for this to already happen? Or does somebody need to manually do this? And then an internal notification from the CSRs to the sales staff. So we got it in a Word document, so, this could be converted into a PDF. So let's just say, yes, please provide PDF and see if we can get our PDF now, even though that's what we asked for initially. But we got a great Word document that, you could probably easily convert yourself. But let's see if we can get it to provide the output that we requested. So now we got our PDF. So that's what we were looking for. We finally got it. So, and here's our standard operating procedure. All the text is pretty much the same.